so many things that we haven't really figured out if it actually works. But I feel we are on the timeline now.
It seems like everyone was chasing centralized God intelligence, and what has sort of emerged over the past 10 days or so is sort of like the swarm intelligence, and the community intelligence.
I think that if you look at one human being, what can one human being actually achieve? Do you think one human being could make an iPhone? Or one human being could go to space? I think one human being would probably just not even be able to find food. But as a group, we specialize. As a larger society, we specialize even more. So what can we learn from that we can apply to AI? We already have AI that specializes in certain things. Even though it's generalized intelligence, what if it actually is also specialized intelligence? So I know it's going to be very exciting.
Cool. Yeah, you kind of opened a window into the future, and now a ton of people are kind of building on it and have sort of their aha moment. Can you walk me back to when you had your aha moment and kind of recount that very moment?
I wanted something to just type stuff so that my computer would do stuff, very simple. And then I built a version of that in May, June that was cool but wasn't really it. And then I built a whole bunch of other stuff and kind of build up my army. And then in November, there was a day where I wanted this again. I went to the kitchen and all I wanted was check up if my computer would still do stuff or is it being finished.
And doing stuff was coding. You were coding stuff.
Yeah, of course.
Were you coding something else, or were you coding the thing itself?
No. That was just the need. Was